Cathy. I set up Indigo Arts. We spend our life trying to make the arts accessible to everybody. Given that the Citroën that we've now got is coming up to 20 years old, we're really excited to get it worked on and keep it going for a little while longer for us all. We're always going to different venues. We have a lot of equipment that we take out with us for everything that we do. Without it, Indigo really wouldn't exist as it does.
Of course I really want to feel something. I don't know if I want to eat or drink. I don't really want to beg for it. I don't know if
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I brought the Citroën Berlingo in from Indigo Arts.
And I believe you've
Great.
had an opportunity to get the car repaired then?
Yes, brilliant, just what we need.
Excellent. Good. There is quite a few things that we're doing today on this. We've got a near side front window regulator that's broken, we're replacing, and an off-side front mirror, broken, replacing. Accelerator cable is being replaced. The central locking key inoperative, so we're placing the clip key for you. Rear wiper inoperative, and we're replacing the wiper motor for you. Okay then, Mrs Moss, there's your key to the car.
Thank you very much.
We'll really enjoy it.
We really appreciate it. Thanks for everything you've done. Can't wait to get and drive it now.